Welcome back to the Tinkerage. Apologies for the gap in the vlogs. I got wiped out by a pretty nasty chest infection, but I'm back in action now. So the new bench top is pretty much clear now, apart from one bucket of tools. Middle bench is also pretty much clear. And the reason for this is a very simple build. I was thinking of doing it as a project build, but because of the delay with being ill, I just needed to get it done. 4 pieces of pallet wood, one for the back, one for the base, one for the front, and then the fourth one used to make the ends, some dividers, and also actually I used 5, about 4.5. Put a couple of bits a little bit higher. So apart from saws, scrapers and caulking guns and a couple of other big things, pretty much all the tools are in here. Now I don't really like this. It's efficient in that I've got space on my workbenches now, so I can get on with some things. I don't like not being able to see what tools which. For example, the files, if I want a particular file, I've got to take them all out in order to find it. This bit of tubing holding some of my kind of forceps and scissors sticking out too far, but I can get the bandsaw just past it. But it's doing the job, the temporary job of allowing me to get on with some other projects. I've got a few things that I'd like to make before Maker Central, which is the 11th and 12th of May. Really looking forward to that. It's going to be a fantastic weekend. So I haven't put anything really in here apart from sticking an old lamp on there. I've got the router bits inside. I think that was up last time. Screwdrivers and things there. So just going to keep it short. It's a glorious day here today in the southeast of England. So I've been able to get a few things done. I've even brought in all my paints, spray paints and cork, silicone in there. Another box of tools down here. Henry the Hoover has pretty much had it. I've tried repairing it. I don't think I have the skills to strip the motor out sufficiently. Taking the brushes out, can't see anything wrong with them. So whether there's a problem with one of the windings, I'm not sure. I might have another look at it. They have an old Dyson down in the summer house, which I brought up to have a look at. That was not sucking either. So I think I may just have to bite the bullet and get something. Screwfix, which is one of the tool providers in the UK, has a smallish wet and dry vac, which I think without the casters will fit in underneath where the Henry Hoover was. New Henrys are just too expensive. So, and I've refurbished one. I don't know, there are some second-hand ones going for just about the same price, maybe a little bit more than Screwfix. I'm selling those. Might see if I've got a Screwfix voucher on the fridge. I get them every now and again. Or I might just have to wait till one comes in. So at the moment, no suction, so any cutting, it's got to be outside really. A few things to be making soon. I think reorganisation of the Tinkerage is going to be on hold now until Maker Central. So I'm not sure if I'll be doing any more vlogs up to that point. I will be vlogging about Maker Central. That's if I'm not just too excited to and forget to actually put the camera out. So, keeping this hopefully just under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. See you all soon.